If you're over 70 and living with arthritis, you know how much this condition can affect your daily life. The stiffness, the swelling, the constant ache in your joints, it can feel like arthritis is taking control of your body. But what if I told you there's a natural way to get immediate relief? What if there was a simple drink, something you can make right in your kitchen, that could help ease the pain and reduce the inflammation in your joints? Today I'm going to share with you a powerful miracle tea that has been used for centuries to relieve arthritis pain. This tea isn't just a folk remedy. Modern science backs its effectiveness, and people around the world swear by it to help them manage the symptoms of arthritis. So if you're looking for a natural, safe and fast way to feel better, stay with me, because this tea could be the solution you've been waiting for. But before we get to the recipe, let's take a moment to understand why arthritis becomes such a challenge as we age, and why certain natural remedies like this tea can be so effective. As we get older, our bodies go through a lot of changes, and our joints are no exception. Years of wear and tear combined with natural aging can cause the cartilage in our joints to wear down. This cartilage is what cushions your joints and allows them to move smoothly. Without it, the bones in your joints start to rub against each other, causing that grinding sensation, pain and inflammation that are the hallmarks of arthritis. For many people over 70, arthritis, especially osteoarthritis, becomes a part of daily life. It can make it hard to walk, stand or even open a jar. You might wake up in the morning feeling stiff and sore, or find that your joints swell up after even the smallest amount of activity. But here's the good news. While arthritis may be part of aging for many people, the pain doesn't have to be. And that's where this miracle tea comes in. Now, you're probably wondering, what is this tea? What makes it so powerful? The secret to this tea's effectiveness lies in its ingredients. It's made from a combination of two ancient powerful anti-inflammatory herbs, turmeric and ginger. These two ingredients have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years to treat pain, reduce inflammation and improve joint health. And today they're recognized by modern science as some of the most effective natural remedies for arthritis. Let's talk about turmeric first. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that's commonly used in Indian cuisine, but it's also one of the most potent anti-inflammatory herbs on the planet. The active compound in turmeric is called curcumin, and it's curcumin that gives turmeric its powerful healing properties. Curcumin works by blocking certain enzymes and chemicals in the body that promote inflammation. In fact, studies have shown that curcumin can be just as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications, but without the harmful side effects. Turmeric not only reduces inflammation, but also helps protect your joints from further damage. It's a natural antioxidant, which means it fights off free radicals that can damage your cells and contribute to joint pain. And because it's a natural remedy, it's something you can use every day to manage your arthritis symptoms without worrying about long-term side effects. But turmeric isn't the only star of this tea. The second key ingredient is ginger. Ginger, like turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogalls, which help reduce the pain and swelling associated with arthritis. Studies have shown that ginger can help ease pain and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis, particularly in the knees. But that's not all. Ginger also improves circulation and can help reduce muscle stiffness, making it an excellent addition to any arthritis management plan. So, why do turmeric and ginger work so well together? It's because they have synergistic effects. When used together, they enhance each other's anti-inflammatory properties, making them even more effective at reducing pain and swelling. Think of it as a 1-2 punch. Against arthritis, turmeric and ginger work together to target inflammation from different angles, giving you faster and more powerful relief. Now that you know the science behind these incredible ingredients, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, how to make this miracle tea. Here's a simple recipe you can follow to make this tea at home. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric or 1 tablespoon of freshly grated turmeric root, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 to 2 cups of water, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey, which is optional, a splash of lemon juice, also optional. Instructions: start by bringing the water to a boil in a small pot. Add the turmeric and ginger to the boiling water and reduce the heat to a simmer. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors and healing compounds to fully infuse the water. After simmering, strain the tea into a cup to remove any ginger and turmeric bits. Add a pinch of black pepper. This step is crucial as black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making the tea even more effective. For extra flavor and added benefits, you can stir in a teaspoon of honey and a splash of lemon juice. And that's it. Your miracle tea is ready to drink. Enjoy it once or twice a day, especially in the morning or before bed, for the best results. Now, you might be wondering why we add black pepper to the tea. As I mentioned earlier, black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which increases the bioavailability of curcumin. In simple terms, this means that piperine helps your body absorb curcumin more efficiently. Without the black pepper, your body might not be able to absorb enough curcumin to experience its full benefits. So don't skip this step. The honey and lemon juice are optional, but they can enhance the flavor of the tea and provide additional health benefits. Honey is a natural anti-inflammatory and has soothing properties, while lemon juice adds a dose of vitamin C, which supports joint health and boosts the immune system. This tea is more than just a drink. It's a natural remedy that can help soothe your aching joints and reduce inflammation almost immediately. But remember, consistency is key. While you may feel some relief after your first cup, the true benefits of this tea come with regular use. Drinking this tea daily can help reduce chronic inflammation, protect your joints from further damage, and improve your overall mobility. But turmeric and ginger aren't the only tools in your arthritis-fighting toolkit. To get the most out of this tea, it's important to pair it with a few other lifestyle changes that can help you manage your arthritis symptoms even more effectively. Let's start with diet. What you eat plays a huge role in managing arthritis. Foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, walnuts and flax seeds, can help reduce inflammation in the body. Omega-3s have been shown to decrease joint pain and stiffness, making them a valuable addition to any arthritis-friendly diet. At the same time, you'll want to limit foods that promote inflammation, like processed sugars, refined carbs and trans fats. These foods can make arthritis symptoms worse by contributing to inflammation in your joints. Instead, focus on a whole foods diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and healthy fats. Next, let's talk about exercise. While it may seem counterintuitive, staying active is one of the best ways to manage arthritis pain. Gentle, low-impact exercises like walking, swimming and cycling can help keep your joints flexible, reduce stiffness and improve circulation. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. Even just 20 to 30 minutes of movement a day can make a big difference in how you feel. If you enjoy more structured activities, consider adding yoga or Tai Chi to your routine. These practices are particularly effective for seniors because they combine gentle movements with deep breathing and relaxation, helping to reduce both physical and mental tension. Plus, they improve flexibility, balance and strength, which are all important for maintaining your mobility as you age. Another important factor in managing arthritis is stress reduction. Believe it or not, stress can make arthritis symptoms worse. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that increases inflammation in your joints. That's why finding ways to relax and unwind is so important. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature can help lower your stress levels and, in turn, reduce inflammation. Even just taking a few moments each day to close your eyes, breathe deeply, and focus on something positive can make a difference in how you feel. But let's get back to our miracle tea. While turmeric and ginger are the stars of the show, there are a few other ingredients you can add to boost its effectiveness even further. For example, you can add a pinch of cinnamon to the tea. Cinnamon is another spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining overall health. You can also experiment with different herbs like rosemary or thyme, both of which have anti-inflammatory effects. Adding these herbs to your tea can provide a variety of health benefits, and they also add extra flavor. And here's something else to consider. While drinking this tea can provide immediate relief, it's most effective when used as part of a larger, long-term plan for managing arthritis. The more you support your body with healthy foods, regular exercise, and stress management, the better you'll feel over time. Let me share a quick story before we wrap up. I recently heard about a woman named Evelyn, who was in her early 70s and had been struggling with arthritis for over a decade. Her arthritis was particularly bad in her hands and knees, and she found it difficult to do everyday tasks like cooking, gardening, and even walking her dog. She had tried various medications, but they only offered temporary relief, and she didn't like the side effects. Then she learned about this miracle tea. She started drinking it every morning, and within just a few days, she noticed a reduction in the swelling in her hands. After a couple of weeks, she found that her knees were less stiff, and she was able to go on longer walks without feeling as much pain. Now, Evelyn drinks her turmeric ginger tea every day and has made it a regular part of her routine. She feels more mobile and active than she has in years, and she loves that she's using a natural remedy to manage her arthritis symptoms. Evelyn's story is a great reminder that small, consistent changes can make a big difference. If you're over 70 and struggling with arthritis, why not give this tea a try? It's easy to make, it's delicious, and it could provide the immediate relief you've been looking for. Start with 1 cup a day and see how your body responds. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips. Leave a comment below if you've tried this tea or if you're planning to. I'd love to hear your experiences and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, pain-free life.